This is the Goodwind Power 500 kVA Cummins Open diesel generator set, built for reliable backup power. At its core is the proven Cummins QSZ13G3 engine, paired with the premium Stanford S5L1DC for 1 alternator. Together, they deliver stable and efficient power output. Designed for continuous operation, this set features advanced fuel injection for efficiency, a robust cooling system for high ambient temperatures, and a user-friendly control panel for easy monitoring. This generator is configured as primary backup, ensuring production lines keep running during power outages. Feel free to contact us